Get ready? Start. 51. We may, however, hasten to add that whether a just and valid ground for condonation of delay is made out or not largely depends on the facts and circumstances of each case. Stop. It is, however, not necessary for us to further delve into this issue and oblique or determine whether the appellant state has made out a case for condonation of delay in filing their intra-court appeal before the High Court. Stop. We rather proceed on the premise that even if it was a fit case for condonation of delay, will it serve the cause of justice to set aside the impugned order of the division bench and remit the intra-court appeal for a fresh adjudication on merits? Stop. We cannot be oblivious of the fact that the parties started litigating in the year 2002. Stop. The dispute had engendered out of a perceived pay anomaly, and the state itself acknowledged that there was some disparity in the pay scales that needed to be rectified. Stop. Hence, it constituted the Rizvi Committee, and that committee made recommendations which were broadly fair and just, as various means and measures were recommended to redress the grievance of employees like the respondents. Stop. These measures included the merger of cadres, redesignation and upgradation of posts, the introduction of new pay scales with an assurance that the redesignated post would be on a pay scale higher than that of the feeder cadre. Stop. Even if these measures were to the entire satisfaction of the respondents, the fact remains that the anomalies stood removed. Stop. Para change. 52. It needs no emphasis that prescription of pay scale for a post entails policy decision based upon the recommendations of an expert body like pay commission. Stop. All that the state is obligated to ensure is that the pay structure of a promotional or higher post is not lower than the feeder cadre. Stop. Similarly, pay parity cannot be claimed as an indefeasible enforceable right save and except where the competent authority has taken a concert decision to equate two posts notwithstanding their different nomenclature or distinct qualifications. Stop. Incidental grant of same pay scale to two or more posts without any express equation amongst such posts cannot be termed as an anomaly in a pay scale of a nature which can be said to have infringed the right to equality under Article 16 of our Constitution. Stop. Equally well settled is that the creation, merger, demerger or amalgamation of cadres within a service to bring efficacy or in the administrative exigencies is the state's prerogative. Stop. The court, in exercise of its power of judicial review, would sparingly interfere in such a policy decision unless it is found to have brazenly offended Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution. Stop. It was a mere coincidence that the group of these posts carried the same pay scale for a long time till the state government decided to grant a higher revised pay scale to the headmasters. Stop. This led to an anomalous situation as the headmasters were amongst the feeder cadre categories for appointment by selection against 10% posts. Stop. Such a situation could be averted by amending the rules and deleting headmasters from the zone of consideration from 10% posts. Stop. Thank you.